अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं भोपाली स्टाइल गोश्त का पुलाव। सो लेट्स टेक अ लुक एट द इंग्रेडिएंट्स। हाफ kg मटन, 150 grams curd, and this is ginger garlic and green chilies paste. We have taken ginger 2 inches, 1 medium sized garlic and 15 green chilies. Grind it by adding little water in it. 2 large sliced onions. We are going to be adding only 3 aromatic spices. Green cardamoms 12 to 15. Maize 2 flowers. These are broken strands of maize flour. And 1 nutmeg. Salt and mustard oil. For preparing rice, we need good quality biryani rice half kg. A bay leaf, cinnamon stick 1 small, few strands of maize, peppercorn, 3 cloves, green cardamoms, 1 star anise, 4 to 5 tablespoon oil or ghee. Squeeze 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon kevada water. Caramelized onions 1, mint and coriander leaves, red orange food color 1/4 teaspoon. Salt 2 tablespoon. Grind these aromatic spices and keep it aside. Don't add water in it. Keep it aside. This will be added to the mutton at the end. Heat some oil in a pressure cooker. Fry onions. Fry onions till it turns light brown. Then goes mutton in it. Fry for 2 minutes on high heat. Then put ginger garlic and green chilies paste to it. Then goes salt. Fry for 2 minutes on medium to high flame. Finally, the thick yogurt. Close the lid and cook for 15 minutes on medium flame. Now that our mutton is getting cooked, in the interim, let's prepare rice. In a pan, take 3 liters water and add salt and whole spices that we have kept for rice. 1 tablespoon oil. Oil will help in keeping the grains separate. Once the water starts boiling, put soaked rice in it. Within 2 to 3 minutes, it will start boiling. We want our rice to be cooked 90%. Press the grains to check if it's done. Switch off the flame and discard the water. Now keep this cooked rice aside. Now let's check our mutton. Let it release the pressure naturally and then open the lid. Our mutton is almost cooked. It's 90% done, and that is how I want our mutton to be. Now at this stage we are going to be adding 3 aromatic spices to it. Mix it and close the lid. Cook it till it's completely done. Let 2 whistles come on medium flame. Now let's check our mutton. It's ready now, but there's an excess water in it. So fry on high heat so that the excess water gets absorbed. Fry it on high heat for 4 to 5 minutes. This is the consistency that we want. Now let's assemble everything. In goes our 80% rice in a pan and keep aside remaining 20%. Spread them evenly. Top of it with mutton pieces. Cover it with the remaining rice. Spread them evenly. And now let's sprinkle some ghee or oil by adding kevda water and lemon juice in it. Sprinkle some food color, sprinkle some mint and coriander leaves, crispy fried onions. Fill it with aluminium foil and let it cook on dum slowly for 30 to 40 minutes. Now place this pan on tawa. This way our rice will not get burnt. Let's check after half an hour. There's an amazing aroma coming from my pulao. Mix the rice and mutton by lifting from the bottom. This will help in keeping our grains intact. Garnish it with some coriander and mint leaves and crispy fried onions. Our delicious pulao is ready to serve with raita.